When preparing for MRCOG Part 3, knowing what to read is just as important as knowing how to answer. That's why Excel MRCOG's reading library is designed to be your ultimate MRCOG Part 3 companion. It is structured, exam focused, and easy to revise. With 6 months of comprehensive access, you gain entry to a carefully curated collection of 400 plus exam style clinical tasks written to reflect real MRCOG Part 3 stations. Each task is paired with examiner style answer keys, helping you understand not just the correct content but the exact structure and language the examiners expect. For rapid consolidation, the library includes high yield quick revision notes, allowing you to revise efficiently even during busy clinical schedules. All the content is organized with module wise and domain wise navigation so you can instantly find what you need, whether you're revising antenatal care, intrapartum emergencies, gynecology, ethics, or communication scenarios. To save you hours of guideline reading, we provide concise, exam oriented guideline summaries covering Green Talk guidelines, NICE, BASH, BIVA, TOG, FSRH, and patient information leaflets as well, distilled into key points, algorithms, and examiner relevant facts. Your preparation stays structured and measurable with integrated progress tracking, helping you monitor completion, identify your weak areas, and stay exam ready. And because MRCOG evolves, so does your preparation, with regular clinical updates ensuring your knowledge remains current and relevant. The reading library doesn't overwhelm you, it focuses you. Read smart, revise fast, approach MRCOG Part 3 with confidence with Excel MRCOG's reading library.